Good day, folks. This is a solution for test number 2, and I'm going to start with the question number 3. And in this question, I wanted to prove that these two things are equal. So I'm going to start with the left-hand side. 1 plus cos x, cot x can be written as cos x upon sine x, and cosecant x can be written as 1 upon sine x. Now I can take the LCM here. So dividing this by sine x and multiplying this by sine x, and it's going to convert into sine x plus cos x upon sine x, and this sine x from the bottom will going to go on the top, so this multiplied by sine x, so this cancels out. Your final answer will be sine x plus cos x. Now let's look into question number 4. So that is secant square x minus 1 upon secant square x, and we wanted to prove it equal to sine x. So secant square x minus 1 can be written as, well, only secant square can be written as 1 upon cos square x minus 1. Secant square x can be written as 1 upon cos square x. And now I can, again, like the previous question, I can divide this by cos square x and multiply this by cos square x. So this will become 1 minus cos square x upon cos square x, and this cos square on the bottom going to go on top, cos square x, and these two cancels out. So final answer is 1 minus cos square x. All right, let's look into the question number 5. So cos pi over 2 minus x, that is the question, is equal to sine x. That's what I wanted to it to that's what I want to prove it equal to. So I can use the formula cos a minus b, that is equal to cos a cos b minus plus sine a sine b, and then cos a will become cos of pi over 2 times cos x plus sine of pi over 2 sine x, and then this will become 0 because cos pi is 0, so anything multiplied by 0 is that thing. Sine pi over 2 is 1 times sine x, the answer will be equal to sine x. All right, let's look into question number 6 now. The question number 6 was, you had to draw the graph for y equal to 1 over 3 cos of 1 over 2 x plus pi over 8. Okay, let me just fix this, 1 over 2, and now the y will be equal to 1 over 3 cos of, I can bring this 1 over 2 outside, x plus pi over 4, that's going to become in the bracket. And the amplitude in this case is, amplitude value will be 1 over 3 period will be equal to 2 pi over b, and I can, well, this is b here, down here, first of all. Oops, I cannot erase it somehow. Okay, b, now 2 pi over 1 over 2, it's going to become 4 pi, and horizontal phase shift will come out to be equal to minus pi over 4, because this is at 2x go west, and the diagram's gonna look something like this. Starting from here, it's gonna go something like this, and this point is minus pi over 4, and this point will be 11 pi over 4, and this point will be 7 pi over 4, this is 3 pi over 4, and this point, well, this point is 11 pi over 4, 11 pi over 4. Okay, and then you can find out the final point also. So minus pi over 4 plus 4 pi, that's going to give you the final point 2. Okay, now let's look into the next question. Uh, that is the question number 7. And in this one, you are given y equal to 3 sine x plus pi over 8. And I wanted to draw the graph for this one. Again, Amplitude is straightforward. Amplitude in this case is 3, and then time period is equal to 2 pi over 1, which is 2 pi, and then horizontal phase shift is equal to pi over 8 to the left. And now I'm going to draw this graph. This is how this graph gonna look like. I'll draw the points also. This is minus pi over 8, and this will be 15 pi over 8, and you can find the remaining point by yourself. All right, so now question number 8. So question number 8 was secant phi is equal to 2.047 and cot phi is less than 0. We wanted to find the value of phi. So secant phi can be written as 1 upon cos phi, which is equal to 2.047, and cos phi value will be equal to 1 by 2.047, and phi value will be cos inverse of 1 divided by 2.047, and phi value comes out to be 61 degrees approx. Now we got this value 61 degree approx, and we are also given cot phi has to be less than 0. So if cot phi is less than 0, so it means cot is what? Cot is 1 upon, well, cos upon sine. So we can relate cot to the tangent. So it secant is positive and chord is negative, chord is less than 0. Chord is negative in the second quadrant and in the fourth quadrant. I can relate this to the tangent because it's just a reverse of tangent. Tangent is sine upon cos, so chord is cos upon sine. So tangent is negative in second, uh, tangent is negative in second and fourth quadrant, so cot will also be negative in second and fourth quadrant. But it also says that cos of secant has to be a positive number. So whatever this value is, this is a positive number, and cot is negative here, and secant is opposite of cos, so secant will be positive here. So that's why I will choose the fourth quadrant for this question, and this will be the angle approximately 299 degrees. And question number 9 now. So you're given the point -2 and -3. So -2 will be here, -3 will be somewhere here, and that's how the point's going to look like. -2, this is -3, and the angle tangent theta value will be -2 upon -3. Theta value will be tangent inverse of 2 upon 3 because I can cancel out the negatives, and theta value will come out to be approximately 56.3 degrees. All right, and then you will add 56. This is 56.3 degrees. You can add 180 to that too. All right, so that's how you're gonna calculate the question number 9a. Question number 9b value will be phi is equal to 270 degrees, and 270 times pi over 180, that's gonna give you 3 pi over 2. Just want to ask you guys just a heads up, try and check out these values also, because I was in a bit of a rush, so I calculated this value. But the process, the whole idea is I wanted to teach you the process. Okay, so now question number 10, and then sine phi is equal to -0.5736, and cos phi has to be greater than 0. So cos is positive and sine is negative. This can only happen in the fourth quadrant. So the angle has to be here. So this angle's phi value will come out to be sine inverse of -0.5736, and phi value will come out to be 360 minus 35 degrees, which is equal to, because this is 35 degrees, so this is 325 degrees. So hopefully you were able to understand how I'm going to solve this question, but quickly I'm going to stop here for 1 second. I'm going to quickly recheck all those numbers too. So if I were to check the numbers, tangent inverse, second function, tangent inverse, 2 divided by 3, whoa, that comes out to be, well, 3 divided by 2 I should have written here. My apologies. It's a good thing I checked this number. This should be 3 divided by 2. Since second function, tangent inverse, 3 divided by 2, that, whoops, just second function, tangent inverse, 3 divided by 2, I. 3 divided by 2, 56. That's correct. And this one is cos inverse 1 divided by 2.047, and that is 60 point something. Yeah, so work is correct. So yeah, so these are the questions. If you have any question about these ones, let me know. Otherwise, take care, guys.